height and distance. Sometimes we need to find the height of a tower, tree, building, or distance of a ship from a lighthouse, width of a river, etc. We cannot measure them easily. However, we can calculate them using the trigonometric ratios. Line of sight. When we look at any object standing on the ground, the line from our eyes to the object being seen is called the line of sight. Angle of elevation. When an object is located above the horizontal line of our eyes, then to see that object, we must lift our head upwards. In this process, our eyes move upwards in an angle which is called the angle of elevation. Angle of depression. When the object is on the ground and the viewer is on a building, then the object is below the level of the viewer's eyes. The viewer must bend his head down to see the object. In doing so, their eyes move in an angle which is called the angle of depression. Let us understand this through an example. Example: the angle of elevation from a point on the ground 18 feet away from the base of a column to the top of that column is 45 degrees. Find the height of the column. Let us solve this step by step. Step 1. Let us look at the situation first. Step 2. Assume that the height of the column is x. Step 3. From triangle ABC, tan 45 degrees is equal to x by 18 because tan theta is equal to BC by AB. Step 4. This means that x is equal to 18 multiplied by tan 45 degrees is equal to 18 multiplied by 1 is equal to 18. Step 5. Therefore, the column is about 18 feet high. Some more examples. Example: a person standing on the bank of a river sees that the angle of elevation formed at the top of a tree situated on the other bank of the river is 60 degrees. When he moves 40 meters away from the bank, he finds that the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tree and the width of the river. Solution: let us take y as the height of the tree and x as the width of the river. CD is equal to 40 meters. In triangle ABD, tan 30 degrees is equal to AB by BD because tan 30 degrees is 1 by square root 3. Hence, 1 by square root 3 is equal to y by x plus 40, which means that x plus 40 is equal to y multiplied by square root 3. Let us take this as equation 1. Now in triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equal to AB by BC because tan 60 is equal to square root 3. Hence, square root 3 is equal to y by x, which means y is equal to x multiplied by square root 3. Let us take this as equation 2. Now, putting the value of y from equation 2 in equation 1, we get x plus 40 is equal to x square root 3 multiplied by square root 3 is equal to x plus 40 is equal to 3x, or 2x is equal to 40, which means that x is equal to 20 meters. Now, putting the value x in equation 2, we get y is equal to x multiplied by square root 3 or 20 multiplied by square root 3. Hence, height of the tree is equal to 20 square root 3 and width of the river is equal to 20 meters.